Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Godswill. Today I'll be showing you how you can buy coin using Binance P2P. Okay, so let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you do once you're on your app is to go to trade. Okay, so we'll click on trade here. We'll allow it to load up. So once it gives you this interface, you click on P2P at the right hand top corner of this app. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Okay, here we are. So on this particular page now, you can buy either USDT, BTC, Binance USD, you can buy Binance coin, that's BNB, you can buy Ethereum and others from this place. So um let's use USDT as an example. So I want to buy USDT, okay? So I'm buying, I think about 30 something thousand naira worth of USDT. So let me look at someone who is selling, who is willing to sell below 40, around 40,000. Let me see. Let me just refresh. Let me refresh. Okay. So let me look for someone. Let me scroll up. Let me look for someone. Okay, we are still searching. Okay, this one is selling for 40,000, and I need someone who I can buy from, let's say 39,000. Okay, this one now can sell for 39. So let me click on this. So I've clicked on buy. So here now I will not enter the amount I'm willing to spend, 39,000. So this is going to give me about $80. So I'll click on buy. Okay, so at this phase now, it's going to give me the person's details, like bank details, where to make payments. So we'll proceed and make our payments. So I'll click on payment method, which is here, payment method. So I can see the person's detail. So all I need to do, I can see the bank is Kuda Bank, I can see the account number and the person's name. So all I will do is just to click on copy the bank account. Then once I copy it, all I need to do is just to go and open my bank app and do the transfer to this person. Okay, so my bank app is opening. I'm making sure that I'm walking you through step by step. Sign in. Okay, okay, so all I need to do is just to go to transfer funds to this person, to other bank. Okay, so the bank is Kuda Microfinance. Let me go to search. Let me search for the bank Kuda. So this is Kuda. Select it. Put the person's account number. Let it load. Then I'll put the amount I'm sending, 39,000, to the person. Then I'll put my PIN. Then this is the person's name, Siva Oyinaga. So all I need to go and confirm if it's the same name, Siva Oluchi Oyinaga. So I will just send to this person. I will send, confirm. So I've just made payment, transfer successful. Okay, so all I need to do is I'll then go back to this place. I will mark this transaction as transferred. Then next, okay, so I'll click on it, transferred. Okay, so I've done that. I'll just wait for this countdown window. You can see 17 minutes, but before that I don't need to wait. All I need to do, you can see a message icon at the top right hand corner. So all I need to do is just to go there, just to notify this person that I've paid. I'll click on it. It loads up. Okay, so I will now inform this person. Okay, hello seller, hello seller, please kindly confirm payment. I have credited your account. So once you do this, just hold on. The person would just wait, and we'll just wait for the person to receive payment. Once the person receives payment, the person will confirm. So once the person confirm, you will see on our dashboard that okay, this coin has been released. So we can't be waiting for the next 15 minutes plus. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video, then we'll come back. Oh fine. Oh, that was so fast. I was about pausing the video. You can see the person has released the coin already. So you can see this is just how the beautiful thing about it. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to reach this person. You can see I got a notification that this coin has been released already. All right. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to give this person a positive notification because this person was fast. So and I'll just click on done. All right. So after this, it's going to show you this interface. So for us to move this coin, because we need to move this coin, this order is completed. Now we need to move this coin to our spot wallet. Okay, so all you need to do, you just need to go back. We'll go back. All right, we just leave this place completely. We'll leave here. Then we'll go to our wallet. You go to wallet. You can see wallet at the bottom right hand corner. Click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, it's going to load up. It's loading. So after loading, you click on P2P. So I just clicked on P2P. So you can see the 80.21. You can see the $80.21 there. Okay, so all I need to do is click on transfer. So I will just click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you select transfer, this one below, transfer. Okay, so once this transfer comes up, all you need to do is it's already from P2P wallet to spot wallet. So all you need to do, where you have your Bitcoin, select your Bitcoin, then search for USDT, because USDT is the coin we bought. So select USDT. Okay, so once you select USDT, just click on max. All right, click on max, which I just did. So I'm transferring everything out. Okay, so just click on transfer. Voila, that's just it. So the money has gone to our spot wallet. So for you to confirm, just go to your spot wallet, and verify. Let me look for my USDT. Oh, okay, so I have some dollar here before, so it just added up to what I have. You can see 189. So it wasn't up to 189 before. I think 105 for thereabouts. So it has actually added up. So that is just the simple process. Now from here, you can decide to use your coin to do whatever you want to do. Either you want to use it to trade or to purchase another coin, you can go ahead and do that. So that is just it. It's straightforward. Once you follow this tutorial, you will not even make any mistake about this. Okay, congratulations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be releasing more videos that can help us achieve whatever we want to achieve in regards to crypto. And also feel free to share with your friends. Also feel free to give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much.